Another example, AI can handle basic research and summaries. I think most of you are doing that already. It helps you turn a winning format into 10 new controlled variations for testing. It surfaces patterns in data so you see which hooks, angles and formats overperform. Pressmaster, on the other hand, is a good example of this in practice. It helps you to publish content without spending hours writing. You can turn a conversation into weeks of platform-optimized content, all based on your own thinking patterns. The tool captures how you talk and decide, then turns that into outlines, posts and scripts that sounds like you at scale. And if this sounds interesting, head over to Pressmaster AI or just check the description of this video. Next is numbers. This last piece about taking full ownership for growth in a very practical way. If you want to think like a marketing architect, you stop treating results as random and assume there's a reason in the data, and you decide it is your job to find it. Keep a simple scoreboard for every campaign or content stream. A change log is also what I recommend. Be on top with monitoring hooks, angles, offers, the traffic source, views, watch time, click-through rate, leads, and sales. You have to know your data. You have to own this data. From there, it's a game of optimization. You have to look through the start to finish process and identifying the constraints. If people view the ad but do not click, then the problem is in the ad itself, because your ad has a single purpose of selling the click. Then you're not selling the click. You're providing either too much or too less information and not enough curiosity. If they click but do not buy, the problem sits on the belief shifts around the landing page and the sales process. Most often it's not specific enough to their core needs and their aspirational identity. And here's the kicker. Speed is king in all business pursuits. You will win more often if you test more often. You learn from the data and ship the next iteration based on that. But do it fast. Do not be discouraged by bad results. They are prompt to think harder. Keep asking yourself why something did not work until you can write the exact reason down in one clear sentence. You do the same for winners, so you can repeat them on purpose. So here you have it. 3 principles that separate good marketers from the top 1%. Let's recap quickly. First principle was mindset. You have to be curious about why things are working. Second principle is marketing fundamentals. You're understanding beliefs and identity shifts over demographics and just tactics. Third is engineering fundamentals. You understand how to dissect problems and build solutions and whole systems out of that. Now, if you want help turning these 3 principles into an operating system for your business, that is exactly what we do inside of Marketing MBA. We take ideas like mindset, fundamentals, and engineering and turn them into projects. You get the frameworks, the templates, and the feedback you need to build a growth engine instead of one-off campaigns.